John Rick Planas is on the lead. Mitch Rivera on second. Bornok Mangosong coming in on third. We just entered the second corner of the track. John Rick Planas is staying strong, coming into the big jumps. That's bike 21. John Rick Planas on a Yamaha YZ, followed by Mitch Rivera on his Honda CRF. And another one, Yamaha YZ 450 is Bornok Mangosong coming in on third position. On the screen, we have John Rick Planas, Bornok Mangosong taking that overtaking on the jumps. Now on the second spot, Mitch Rivera down to the third spot. Let's see how this young gun, John Rick Planas, will maintain the position against or battling with Bornok Mangosong. And here we go, 21, 111, and bike number 4. We still have John Rick Planas almost halfway through our racetrack, but right behind him, keeping up with the pace, we have the Lion 111. Bornok Mangosong, somehow it seems like the Lion is taking on the prey, and he got it on the rollers. Bornok Mangosong overtakes on 111. Mitch Rivera regains the second position, overtaking, trying to take it on the sand track, sand section. But still, Bornok 111 Mangosong, or the Lion, maintains his position on the first, followed by Mitch Rivera. Mitch Rivera on second. Here we go. It's still Bornok Mangosong, Mitch Rivera on second. Once again, this is a Pro Open Class Heat 1 or Moto 1 for the Solid North Portales Pro-Am Motocross Championships. It's Bornok Mangosong, Mitch Rivera, John Rick Planas, and Terence Napat for the top 4 lead in our Pro Open Class. We have some inside the track updates. On the top 5 lead inside updates, we have Bornok Mangosong, Mitch Rivera, John Rick Planas, Terence Napat, and Jeric Mitra on 5th position, completing the top 5. We have an inside and outside. Mitch Rivera taking it on for Bornok Mangosong on the doubles. Both riders are taking on different lanes of the track. Mitch Rivera takes over the first position. Bornok Mangosong down to the second. Let's look at how these skills and strategies will come out. Over jumping, Mitch Rivera trying to come up with a strategy to break away from the pack, while Bornok Mangosong still takes on the prey like the Lion he is in this motocross industry. Once again, Mitch Rivera and Bornok Mangosong still on for the battle of first position in the Pro Open category. Once again, watch out, this is the Pro Open class for the Solid North Portales Motocross Championship 2025. Mitch Rivera on the outside. This is our Pro Open class. Showing on the screen is Terence Napat and John Rick Planas, our 3rd and 4th rider. And we are back with Mitch Rivera and Bornok Mangosong coming into the roller section. Here we go. We will see the strategy. This is the place where Bornok Mangosong has the advantage of overtaking this first lap. Right now, we are still seeing Mitch Rivera coming in first onto the sand section. Bornok Mangosong on second. This is a close-up view for our riders. The first category for today, and we have a heated battle on the first position between Mitch Rivera and Bornok Mangosong. Coming in once again, that's Mitch Rivera, Bornok Mangosong, Terence Napat coming in on third, that's bike number 18, followed by 21, Jeric Planas. Then we have coming in on fifth is Jeric Mitra. Our top 5 update once again for the Pro Open class, it's Mitch Rivera, Bornok Mangosong, Terence Napat, Jeric Planas, and Jeric Mitra. This is the Pro Open class. Once again, Pro Open class. First heat. We still have on the screen Mitch Rivera and Bornok Mangosong. We have Bornok Mangosong lurking right behind Mitch Rivera like the lion taking on his prey. Let's see how Mitch Rivera runs off from Bornok Mangosong to take on and try to break away, but it's Bornok Mangosong. We can see it right here. The lion, he is still lurking right behind Mitch Rivera, looking for a way in to overtake. And once again, we are coming back on the tabletop. Mitch Rivera, Bornok Mangosong still on it on the battle for first position. On the screen, we also have here bike number 18. That is Terence Napat. Terence Napat is followed by Janric Planas. And on 5th position, we have bike 87. That's Master Jarek Mitra. On the rollers, once again, we have Mitch Rivera. Bornok Mangosong now bar to bar on the jumps with Mitch. We are entering this challenging zone in the track. Inside and outside lanes for Mitch Rivera and Bornok Mangosong. It's still Mitch Rivera coming out onto that stretch. Once more, it's still Mitch. Bornok Mangosong still looking for a way in. Remember guys, the Pro Open class is scheduled for 20 minutes plus 2 laps of racing. This is a long ride for our riders in the Pro Open class. 20 minutes plus 2 laps. Still Mitch Rivera on that first set. Mitch Rivera, Bornok Mangosong taking on the rhythm jumps. This is going to be some heated battle between our top 2 riders. Michelin Rivera is on his CRF 450, while Bornok Mangosong is riding a Yamaha YZ 450cc. They're now coming back on the start of our tracks into the first corner. Still Michelin Rivera takes on the challenge with Bornok Mangosong to fight off in the battle of first position. Michelin Rivera staying strong, Bornok Mangosong just lurking behind, looking for a way in. Well, we also have here an update. Still, it's Terence Napat on 3rd position. Janric Planas maintains it on 4th, and Jeric Mitra on 5th. Once again, closing in, it's Mitch Rivera and Bornok Mangosong. This is scheduled for 20 minutes plus 2 laps, and we have a long way to go for the Pro Open class of the Solid North Portales Pro-Am Motocross Championships. Here we go, once again, almost a bar-to-bar battle, inside and outside. Both are maintaining an inside lane on this corner. Mitch Rivera and Bornok Mangosong. Still Michelin Rivera maintaining the first position, and Bornok Mangosong right behind him looking for a spot to weigh in. Here we go once again, bar to bar on the rollers. Bornok Mangosong overtaking, and on the double jump coming into the corner. It's now Bornok Mangosong on the first position coming into the sand section. Michelin Rivera on 2nd on the inside lane of the track. Bornok Mangosong now keeps up. Michelin is in the inside, but still Bornok Mangosong keeps his first position lead coming into the dinosaur's back portion of the track. It's Bornok Mangosong 111, the Lion, for the first position. Our contender, Michelin Rivera, is on 2nd using his Honda CRF 450. Still a close fight between the two. Bornok Mangosong and Mitch Rivera still lurking between each other. This will be a very good fight. Once again, we are seeing on the screen, it's Bornok Mangosong and Mitch Rivera. Bornok Mangosong maintains the first position lead. Michelin Rivera on second coming into that jump. Bornok Mangosong is back once again. That's 111. Bornok Mangosong, the Lion. We have two types of hunters right here. We have Bornok Mangosong, the Lion. Well, at the back, we have Mitch Rivera taking on the second position, the Hunter, using his Honda CRF 450. Bornok Mangosong still keeps up his pace, keeping that speed. Coming into the rollers, Bornok Mangosong is still on the lead. Now on the screen is our third position rider. It's Terence the Warrior Napat, using his Kawasaki KX 450. He is back in Abra to take on the challenge. Bornok Mangosong is still out. Oh! It's Bornok Mangosong, Terence Napat now back to the top 3 scene. We have Michelin Rivera now on defense mode while Napat is looking at on an attack mode for this racing season.